Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make more than one playlist on Soundcloud. The first thing you're going to do is open Soundcloud. Once on the app, you're going to tap on the three dashes in the bottom right hand corner. And from here, you're going to select Playlists. And as you can see at the moment, I currently have two playlists available, and I'll be showing you how to create a third one. I'll simply tap on Create Playlist at the top of the screen, and from here you can select any name that you would want your playlist to be, then tap on Save. After saving the playlist, you're going to scroll down and tap on Go to Search, and from here you'll be able to type in the artist name that you would like to search, or you can scroll along and select albums or tracks. Once you have found a song that you would like to add, for example this song right here, you can simply tap on the three dots in line with the song name and tap on Add to Playlist, then tap on the new playlist that you have created, and that's it. Now if I were to close out of this, tap on the three boxes right here, you can see at the moment I have 3 playlists available. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.